They tripping.
Prostitution?
I'm trying to get my bearings right now. Got to go
Crazy.
live. Yeah.
Good.
All right. Have a good one.
From these victims, and I heard the evidence, and the court did. The court heard this entire trial, and I know this court to be a fair court, and I know that a sentence that is proper is one that takes into consideration all of the things that are outlined in 1710-2 and the victim impact statements combined, and the fact that my client has no prior felony convictions, and the purposes of sentencing. And the court will fashion a sentence. Now, if a person is granted a sentence, Your Honor, the statute says that that person will become eligible for parole after serving 30 years in custody.
They said they want
That's
a
what the
life
statute
sentence.
says.
That's crazy.
And that's what I understand the law to
Crazy.
be.
I need y'all to get
I'm not
on up
asking
in
this court to
here.
give Mr.
Okay?
Gibson a life sentence in this case. I'm not asking the court to give this court, Mr. Gibson, 2 life sentences. I'm asking for concurrent time. I'm asking this court, before the trial, the recommendation was 25 years. He did not accept that because Mr. Gibson wanted his day in court, and he got that. He received his day in court, Your Honor. He wanted the constitutional right to have his 6th Amendment trial, and he received that. He received a fair trial from this honorable court. So we're asking that he receive a fair sentence as well. It doesn't stop at sentencing. The fairness continues from jury selection all the way through the end of the case. And we believe that that's what will happen this morning. We're asking this court, Your Honor, my client would like to address the court.
Okay.
So before I ask the court for what I'd like to ask the court to do, can I have my client address the court?
I need y'all to get on up in here while this man is getting sentenced today. Him and his mother, the facing sentencing charges today, live in court right now.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Uh-oh, he's speaking.
I want to start out by thanking you for giving us a fair trial. I want to thank the jurors for the amount of time that they put in to judge this trial. This time being on this trial, I was able to see how the jurors are put in a tough position to, sit there and judge someone's life, And, it's a hard decision, and I felt like they made the wrong judgment. I've done things in my life, but the things I've been accused of, I know that I haven't done those things. I know it's typical for a person to come up here and, show remorse to, crimes that they have done, but I can only show remorse to the people that I know in this trial, which is Kiera Adams, Deanna Sanders, and Jasmine Brown. Not remorse on behalf of like I did anything to them, because if you know me, and people who really know me know that I wouldn't force anybody to do anything. I met women, I dated women who were doing escort or whatever, however people want to look at it from a moral standpoint, but who was doing these things as a grown woman. I've only dealt with grown women.
You over here with headphones and stuff.
Nothing
It's
was
my
forced.
job. I'm
Nothing
serious.
was
What's going on?
coerced or anything of that nature. If you notice before this trial, no woman can say anything about me before this trial. If you notice
Good
before
morning,
this
good morning, good
indictment,
morning.
no woman can say anything about me before. I get the situations that people are put in when they're faced with a certain type of crime or a certain type of time, and they're bullied into this situation to put the blame on someone, or to put the blame on Cash Out, or to put the blame at the top. That's why I didn't really fault them for their decision. I didn't fault Deanna Sanders for making her decision during a proffer. She just had a child. Mind you, she was just on video call with me while being incarcerated. I don't fault Kiera Adams for doing the things she did